right, so we have a business application here, and the first thing we're asked to do is find the marginal cost, and the marginal cost is the derivative of the cost function. So we take the derivative of the given function, and we get 3 plus 0.02x plus 0.006x squared. For part B, we want to find the marginal cost for 100. So we go ahead and we substitute 100 into this equation. The numbers work out pretty nicely. You could even do it without a calculator if you really wanted to. And you end up with 11. So what that means is if you've already made 100 items, that would be the cost to make the 101st item. That's an estimate of it at least. Using the derivative gives you an estimate.